welcome to a new video where we are going to learn something in Excel, and today's topic is Google Translate. So normally what we do in day-to-day life is we use Google Translate to translate few of the data which are very short sizes. For example, we want to see what's the Russian translation from Moscow to Moscow. So we press Moscow here, and that's Moscow, right? But what happens when you have a large set of data? And so for here we have an entire list of all the Russian cities, so all the 357 Russian cities and their population in 2010. So now if I want to translate all these list of cities from Russian to English, so one way is to go to each of this, take one, copy it here. For example, I paste it here, it comes like this, and again I copy it here and then paste it here. It will take me a lot of time, maybe half a day. So how can we do this in just a matter of couple of minutes? So normally what we do is we use Google Translate, which has a very handy tool to use it. So for example, we go to our Google Drive. Here, this is our Google Drive, and we open a Google Sheet. So we have a blank Google Sheet that is open now. What we are going to do is now we are going to take this Excel, and from here we're going to copy it top to bottom and we paste it here. There you go. So now we have the entire list. So why we are coming here and not doing it here? Because if you try this, there is no Excel formula per se. So for example, translate, there is no such formula, but fortunately we have such a formula in Google Translate. So we go Google, this is Google Translate. So the text we want to convert, this here is a very interesting. So we cannot write the entire, for example, this Russian, we just cannot go and write Russian and then we want to convert into English. This is something that won't be recognized by Google Translate. So how do we do that? So Google has put in a list of the languages that it will help translate and has given their ISO 639.1 code. So we are going to use these code. So the link for this is there in the video. You can click there and you access this link. So we have Russian. So for Russian we will have RU, and for English it would be EN. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write again Google Translate, choose the text, then in double quotes RU, comma, we are going to convert into English, which we saw the code as EN, and done. So now with just the double click we have the entire list here. So now there are two ways I can copy it here. So for example, I can just go do this and copy it right here, and here we go. So as you can see, the format of this column is pretty different from this column. And how do we do this? How do we make this column same as this, the format of it? You choose this column. Here you see that paintbrush. You copy the format from here, click on it, and here we go. We name the header as cities bracket in done. And here we have the entire list of Russian cities converted. So it was a quick way where we can convert any language from this list which is available. You can go to this list, look at anything that you have, Spanish, English, Indian words, and can convert it in English and vice versa as per your requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.